In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to invite an accountant to Gusto. If you want your accountant to help manage payroll, review information, or support your team inside Gusto, the platform makes it pretty simple to send them an invitation. I'll walk you through the full process so you know exactly where to click and what each option means. To get started, sign into your Gusto account. Once you're logged in, look for the People section in the main navigation and open it. This is where you manage the individuals connected to your organization. Inside People, click the Collaborators tab. Collaborators are users outside your regular employee list who can help with things like accounting, payroll, or administrative work, depending on the access you give them. Next, click Add a Collaborator. This will open the form where you can enter the accountant's information. You'll need to type in their first name, last name, and email address. Make sure the email is correct, since this is where the invitation will be sent. You may also see an option to add a personal note. This part is optional, but it can be helpful if you want to include a short message letting the accountant know why you're inviting them or what you'd like them to review once they have access. After that, go to the Relationship to your organization section and select Accountant. This helps Gusto categorize the collaborator correctly and may also shape the permissions and workflow options you see next. Now, choose what the accountant will help you with. Select the areas that match the support they'll be providing. Take a moment here to be thoughtful, because this helps ensure they have the right level of involvement without giving unnecessary access. Then choose an access level. You'll typically see options such as Limited Admin or Global Admin. Limited Admin is useful if you want to restrict access to only certain parts of the account. Global Admin gives broader permissions, so it's better suited for someone who needs more complete access to manage tasks across the account. Choose the level that best fits your accountant's role. Once everything looks correct, click Save Collaborator. Gusto will then send an invitation email to the accountant automatically. From there, the accountant receives the invitation, opens the email, and accepts it. After they complete that step, they'll gain access to your Gusto account based on the permissions you assigned. Before finishing, it's always a good idea to quickly review the details you entered, especially the email address and access level, so the invitation goes to the right person with the right permissions. Thanks for watching.